Welcome back to Jetline Marvel for another thrilling aviation episode. One of the nation's major airlines, China Eastern Airlines, has received the second C919 aircraft, built by Commercial Aircraft Corporation of China. Comac delivered the single-aisle narrow-body passenger aircraft to China Eastern in Shanghai. In the afternoon of July 14, 2023, a three-certificate issuance and delivery ceremony of China Eastern Airlines B919C aircraft was held in the Flight Test Complex building of Commercial Aircraft Corporation of China Limited, Zhuqiao Base, marking the official delivery of the second C919 aircraft to China Eastern Airlines. The ceremony was attended by East China Regional Administration staff and appointed representatives, all members of the China Eastern Airlines awaiting team, relevant leaders of Comac's Assembly Manufacturing Center, and the major members of the delivery team. Beginning in August 2022, the final construction of the B919C aircraft was finished in February 2023, and the production flight test was finished in June 2023. The China Eastern Airlines awaiting team worked closely with the Comac delivery team to properly finish all the tasks, including aircraft appearance inspection, ground test, delivery flight test, Civil Aviation Administration of China inspection, and document handover after the delivery phase had begun. The China Eastern Airlines B919C aircraft finished the ferry trip on July 16 and will soon begin route service. According to Comac, China's aviation market is forecast to add 9,284 new planes during the next 2 decades, with 6,288 of them being single-aisle aircraft. China will have 10,007 passenger planes by 2041. Or 21.1% of the total, making it the world's largest aviation market. The C919 confronts the challenge of breaking into a market dominated by Airbus and Boeing as a newbie. Chinese airlines and a few other foreign clients have ordered the aircraft, but it is still unclear if it will be able to capture a sizable portion of the worldwide market. Thanks for watching. Share your thoughts about Comac C919 aircraft in the comment section.